It's all about the customer. The customer needs to get solutions that are simple, fast, and easy to get value out of. And while we are going through this change for big data, new architecture, dealing with hybrid architecture, we want to make sure that we get accelerated value for our customers. And that's why the partnership and the whole concept of making big data work is so important, is that it's not about getting software, it's about solving the problems. Getting the data in is sometimes the first step. Then how do you prep and work with the data to make it more usable? And at the end of the day, it's about getting insights and visual insights where the visualization comes from Arcadia data. And when you put all these things together from Arcadia data and Trifecta and Streamsets, that's where the value is. That's how we make big data work. It really ends up with what are the ultimate business use cases you're solving. Because in a certain way, you can say anything can be done with technology. But the number one thing is, whether it's modernizing your IT infrastructure for data warehousing and insights, things like cybersecurity. Everybody is affected by things like fraud and cybersecurity. I'm spending my nights trying to figure out with Equifax, how do I get all that has gotten done to be undone and make sure I'm protected and my wife is protected with it. So how do you make sure you get real-time data that is able to really stop this kind of cybersecurity and fraud that's going on? There's a tremendous amount of insight that can be gleaned from all the sensor data and IoT applications that are going on. So IoT applications and use cases are very important. And the other thing is there's a lot of real-time applications, customer 360, pricing optimization, product portfolio mix. There's so many other custom applications. If you get the data in the right place, you're able to leverage the data and really get it in the form that the scientists and the analysts can work with it. That's what it's all about. That is what is monetizing the data. Because data and infrastructure means nothing unless you get business value out of it.